We just take this across to Divyesh. Divyesh, I was mentioning how, Riya Chakrabarti has been grilled in the past by different agencies. This time, however, it's going to be by the Narcotics Bureau. And there's a reason there's so much focus on this development. There is a lot of evidence that Riya will have to counter in the form of WhatsApp chats, also in the form of statements by drug peddlers and, house helps in Sushant Singh Rajput's house, who have said that Riya Chakrabarti did in fact consume drugs, did get drugs as well. So we'll have to see how she counters that. But is there a likelihood that Riya Chakrabarti will be confronted with Souvik during the questioning?
Akshata, Riya Chakrabarti is being called for the first time at the Narcotics Control Bureau. And initially the probe team, the investigation team will question her. They will record her statement. Once her statement is recorded, once she gives all the details, and if the officers probing this case are not satisfied, then they will confront with Souvik Chakrabarti and Dipesh Sawant as well. Also, Samuel Miranda could be brought in because he has also provided statement that it was on behest of Riya Chakrabarti that he was buying drugs from the peddlers who were in touch with Souvik Chakrabarti. And that is why initially the probe team would record her statement in detail. And once that is done, then they could also place her under arrest and inform the court that they need her custody to confront her with Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda and Souvik Chakrabarti, because there have been discrepancies in the statement they have provided. They were not satisfied with the statements that she has provided. They believe that she is hiding some details, some crucial details which are crucial for the investigation in this case. And remember, she is the named accused in this case. When the probe was launched by Narcotics Control Bureau, Riya Chakrabarti was the person whose name was registered. It mentioned, accused name was mentioned as Riya Chakrabarti and others. So meanwhile, 8 arrests have already happened. But Riya Chakrabarti, who's been named as an accused, is yet to record her statement. Her statement would be recorded. All kind of details will be sought. Once the details are in, then NCB could decide their further course of action. But the statement remains crucial because she has to provide details about each and every person who is involved in the case, who has been arrested, but also regarding those whose names could emerge further. When did she consume drugs for the first time? Was it a business model for her? Was she peddling drugs? Did she provide drugs to anyone else other than Sushant? Was she herself administering drugs? All those kind of queries will be asked. She'll be quizzed by a joint team of Mumbai and Delhi NCB, and then the further course of action could be decided.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.